When drawing your plan, you may find that there are some scenarios where you need to split an existing wall into sections. This could be because there is a single wall that has variations in its thickness, or you want to add extra walls or change the shape of a room without deleting existing walls. This can be done using the joint tool, which allows you to place additional points along a wall, effectively splitting it into sections. To use it, first tap on the wall where you want to add a joint, and then tap the Add Joint icon. You will see a new wall endpoint added, and the originally selected wall has now been split into two. You'll also notice that each wall section has its own measurement label, and can be adjusted in the normal way. You can move the position of the new wall section by tapping and holding on the blue dot and dragging it into the desired position. Just note that if you drag the joint out of the original wall and then put it back again, it will automatically be removed. Once you have two or more wall sections, you can manually set the thickness of each one as required. You can also add an alcove to a wall by creating two joints and then moving the middle wall piece to the desired position. Additional walls will automatically be added to maintain the integrity of the sketch. This also works for reshaping rooms, like in this example, where one additional joint is added to make an L-shaped room. Using this method, you can quickly make adjustments to your plan without having to undo work you've already done.